Ladies and gentlemen, Little Miss Brainy. This is from the series Little Miss and it's number 25. This is Little Miss Brainy. Where is she? She's in her bedroom. Why you are thinking like that? Probably because of the bed, a nice wallpaper, and you can see a rug in front of her bed. Really cozy. Little Miss Brainy was very brainy. She knew an awful lot of things. She knew simple things such as if you want to go night sleep, you have to go to bed. Or if you want to get up, then first you have to wake up. Oh, she is in such a good mood. Have a nice day, Little Miss Brainy. She knew that if you don't want to be hungry, you have to eat. Bon appetit, Little Miss Brainy. What is she eating? A sausage? Okay. Little Miss Brainy also knew lots of very clever things. She knew that it's quite impossible for centipedes to find matching colored shoes for all their feet. Oh, what color are her shoes? Blue, red, green, yellow, blah blah blah, and so on, I think. Oh, an orange one as well. Okay. Now, Little Miss Brainy knew so much that people got to hear about it. They came from far and wide to ask her questions. Whoa, they are gathering in front of her home. They are so excited probably to hear the answer. Mr. Messy came to see her. What can I do to keep myself messy? He asked. I know, cried Little Miss Brainy. Don't wash. Mr. Messy was delighted. It means that he was pleased. As Mr. Messy was leaving, Mr. Dizzy arrived. Is there anything heavier than a hippopotamus? Asked Mr. Dizzy. I know, said Little Miss Brainy. 2 hippopotamuses. Is that so? Said Mr. Dizzy. I will go and check. Okay. Mr. Clever arrived. What color is my green hat? He asked. I know, sighed Little Miss Brainy, nodding her head. Dum. It's green, of course. Oh, you know so many clever things, exclaimed Mr. Clever. Mr. Clever left, and so did Little Miss Brainy. She had had enough of listening to such simple questions. So she travelled to a place called Cleverland, where she hoped that everybody would ask her some difficult questions for a change. Okay, she's in the way. Okay. What can you see here? Pig on the tree. Okay. When she got there, she stopped in front of a tree. There was a pig sitting on one of its branches. However, am I going to get down from here? Wailed the pig. I know, said Little Miss Brainy. You can jump down. Okay, good idea, said the pig, and being a Cleverland pig, he jumped right on top of Little Miss Brainy. Can you imagine that the pig is on you? Is it heavy? I think so. You are not as soft as a pillow, he complained, and he trotted off. Okay, bye-bye, pig. Further down the road, Little Miss Brainy met an elephant. He had a knot tied in his trunk. Here you are. This is our elephant, a grey elephant with a knot on his trunk. Please, I'd how can I do this .id by trunk? He asked in a funny sort of a way. I know, said Little Miss Brainy. I'll undo it for you. And she did. Gasped an elephant. Gasped the elephant. And blew Little Miss Brainy high into the air. Uh-oh. She flew away. I felt much better now, said the elephant. Of course you do. I don't, moaned little Miss Brainy and rubbed her head. Oh. The elephant had blown her some distance away, and she landed in front of a... What is this? It's a lion. Of course it's a lion. I'm starving, growled the lion. What can I eat? Little Miss Brainy looked around, but she could see nothing and said quickly, I don't know. And she ran home before the lion realized that she was the only thing to eat for miles around. Wow, lucky she that she's a good runner. Thanks for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.